Hi everyone, my name is raka with student ID 2025-32005, majoring information system. And today I want to make some distribution table with Excel. And let's set it up to the Excel. Okay, first of all, I have some data in this table. First of all, I want to make some minimum of this number in here in data, and I want to make some maximum in this data, and also I want to make some amount of this data. I want to make some range too, and the last things is I want to make some amount of class and class wide. So yeah, first of all I want to make some maximum, max, min, yeah, amount of data, range. I want to use K for amount of class and C for class wide. So first of all I want to make some max. We use max and we head it up to this data, just block it. Boom, the data is 87, and the minimum is equals minimum, and we just block it. Boom, the minimum is 2 and the amount of data is equals count, and we just do this. Boom, 77, and a range is equals a maximum minimum. Boom, 85. Amount of class is, okay, the formula of amount of class is equals 1 plus 3.3 times logarithmic of amount of this data. Boom, these things. And yeah, we just want to run it up, so we just use round this uh, value or numbers, and we just like a point, and we use 0 because we want some rounding. Okay, so this one. Okay, a class is just a simple of range divided by amount of class. Okay, first of all the formula is equals this range divided by this amount of class, but with a round up because we just round it up. Okay, this one. Okay, because this is the 12.14 blah blah blah, we just want to run it up, but not just regular run. We want to run up because we just want to have a 13 value. So we just block these things and give it a 0. Boom. And this is a we have a min of max, min max, min maximum of this table, a minimum value of this table, amount of data in this table, a range in this table, amount of class, and class wide. So these things, I want to make some interval from this data. So yeah, let's go. Okay, this one I want to have some lower limit class, and this table is a higher limit class. So yeah, the formula of lower limit class, the first cell is an min. So min, boom, and the second one, I want to make some higher limit. So higher limit formula is a lower limit class plus n class wide, but we use f4 because I want to lock it up, and minus 1. Boom, 14. This thing is easy, but we just want to work into the cell 2 of a lower limit class. So the formula is equals a higher limit class plus 1. Boom. We just drag it up to the down, we drag down. Okay, That's it. We have some lower limit class and higher limit class, and we just want to have some of frequency in here. How how's the formula work is, first of all, we're gonna block it up. Just type formula equals frequency. We just block this data, and we just have this higher limit class. And don't forget to close these things, the formula, and we want to enter these things with Control Shift Enter. You click it at the same time. Okay, boom, done. So we how we check the frequency is right or wrong is just we use some formula with sum, or we just want to count it up all of things sum, and we just drag it down, sorry, and enter. If this thing's not same or not equals with a amount of data, maybe your frequency is wrong. But if it's same or equals with amount of data, it means your frequency is right. Okay. Secondly, I want to look for the cumulative frequency. Formula of cumulative frequency is equals frequency divided by amount of data, but we want to lock it up with F4 and times with 100%. Boom. If you guys have a same number with me like this, we just drag it out, drag it down, and we just have this number, percentage style. Just click it up, and boom, this is a cumulative frequency. Okay, the third one, I will look for the cumulative frequency less than. So the formula is first cell is equal frequency, and a second one is equals this cumulative frequency less than plus a frequency in here. Boom, boom, and we just drag it up, drag it down, and for the cumulative frequency more than, the first formula equals amount of data. Boom. The formula of a second cell is a first cell in cumulative frequency more than min frequency. Boom. And we just drag it down. Boom. And there you go. This is a distribution table. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.